Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Getting locked out of your X account can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to regain access. Step 1. Start by going to the X login page and click the Forgot Password link. You'll be prompted to enter the email address or phone number associated with your account. Make sure you use the exact contact information you used when you originally set up the account. Step 2. Check your email or text messages for a password reset link from X. This link usually arrives within a few minutes, but sometimes it can take longer. If you don't see it, check your spam folder just in case. Step 3. Click the reset link and create a new strong password. Make sure your new password is at least 12 characters long and includes uppercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using common words or personal information. Step 4. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll need to verify your identity using your phone or authenticator app. Complete this verification step to proceed with regaining access. Step 5. Once you've successfully reset your password and verified your identity, log back into your account. Update your security settings right away by enabling two-factor authentication if you haven't already, and review your connected apps and devices to make sure nothing suspicious is there.